Hello you guys, I am back with another video for today. It is with a company called RealSoft Incorporated. I have two jobs lined up for this same company, and the first one is a job role being a help desk support, and the starting pay will be $18 to $18.50 per hour full time, and the job title is here, need local to Ohio. Location is Mason, Ohio, and duration is 3+ months, temp to perm. The basic technology knowledge of Microsoft Windows, you'll need all these skills. Able to troubleshoot application installs, Windows machine, system configuration, standard CPU, and laptop. Basic technical knowledge of PC hardware, knowledge of CPU, monitor, basic hardware connectivity, basic hardware and software application troubleshooting skills. Looking for candidates with strong empathy skills, retail background preferred. Normal hours of operation is 8 a.m. midnight Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. through 10 p.m. Saturday, and 10 a.m. through 10 p.m. Saturday. You will work one weekend day each week. It will be the same day each week, either Saturday or Sunday, and you will be off one day Monday through Friday. 40-hour work week. Weeks are structured Sunday through Saturday. Monday through Friday, we are open 8 a.m. to midnight. Saturday, we are open 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday, we are open 10 a.m. through 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. During your tenure, you may be assigned a shift within any of these hours of operation, but most commonly, your start time will be between 10 a.m. through 11 a.m. This is not guaranteed. You will also work one weekend day, either Saturday or Sunday, each week with a day off during the week. Training schedule, approximately 2 weeks of training, 8:30 a.m. through 5 p.m. And it's an 8-hour shift. It's a 40-hour work week. And the experience you will have to have is required is help desk tech support. 1 year required. And they're hiring for 10+ candidates for this role. You guys are urgently hiring. It just got posted today as of this Friday of August of 2022. They're ongoing hiring for this job position. You guys get into it. Now, the next job with this same company is with the job role will be System Support Specialist, Desktop Support with RealSoft Incorporated with the same exact state and area, Mason area, 45040 remote. And it starts pay is exactly the same as the last job. It's $18 to $18.50 per an hour is full-time job position. Now the qualifications for this job would be you have to have knowledge in Windows for 1 year, that's required. And the full job description is here. Remote work but only for residents of Ohio, just like the last job. Ohioans, I don't know how you guys say it, Buckeye State. You guys, this is a remote position only for this state and people who live within the state, or you plan on relocating to become an Ohio resident, then this is the job for you. The duration is 6+ months contract with high possibility of conversion. Normal hours of operation, 8 a.m. through midnight, Monday through Friday. 9 o'clock a.m. through 10 o'clock p.m. Saturday, 10 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. Saturday. You will work one weekend day each week. It will be the same day each week, either Saturday or Sunday, and you will be off one day, Monday through Friday, 40-hour work week. Weeks are structured Sunday through Saturday. Purpose for a position: basic technical knowledge of Microsoft Windows, able to troubleshoot application installs, Windows machine, system configurations, standard CPU and laptop. Basic technical knowledge of PC hardware, knowledge of CPU, monitor, basic hardware connectivity. Basic hardware and software application troubleshooting skills, looking for candidates with strong empathy skills, retail background preferred. And once again, it's $18. Start pay is $18 to $18.50 per hour. It's an 8-hour shift. And this is required, you guys. You have to have experience in Windows for 1 year. And this is in one location. This is in Ohio, Ohio State, just like this last job that I posted on this video, the same exact video about being within the state of Ohio. And the specific area is Mason, but I'm thinking it's all for everyone who's within the Ohio state. Could be mistaken, but yes, just go ahead and apply. They'll give you the run through of what you need to do or if you qualify or not. And I think you will be, as long as you're from Ohio State. Ongoing need to fill this role. They're urgently hiring. It just got posted 1 day ago with this specific job. And I'm giving you guys a bonus job. And it's from DISYS, which is the HR coordinator position, is 100% remote. And it's spelled DISYS, Digital Intelligence Systems. That's what it stands for. DISYS. It's remote in Virginia, remote in Richmond, Virginia, Richmond, Virginia, and the start pay is $14.21 an hour, all the way up to $21 an hour. Full-time job position is an 8-hour job position, you guys. So let's get into it. The full job description for this job is you have to provide recruiting support services in accordance with clients' recruiting support processes, standards, and systems. Add HOC and Power Day scheduling. Serve as primary scheduling contact for candidates and internal clients. Negotiate times and schedules to finalize candidate interviews. Guide candidates through the interview process on-site and virtually. Partners with others to ensure flawless execution of the interviewing process. Builds and maintains strong relationships with recruiters, interviewers, and executive and administrative professionals. Manage confidential files and other privileged information in a professional manner. Effectively sell and represent client as a top employer. Oversee travel details and communications between candidates, recruiters, and our travel partner. Prepare various materials, reports, and files for interviews and census meetings. Minimum qualifications or experience with MS Office, Outlook, Word, Excel, and Google Suite, Gmails, Sheets, documents, etc. A minimum of 1 year experience, customer service experience. And once again, the pay is $14.21. The start pay is $14.21, all the way up to $21 per hour for this job position, you guys, as being the HR coordinator, 100% remote, with Digital Intelligence Systems, you guys, based out in Richmond, Virginia. And they're hiring for 3 candidates for this role. And they're urgently hiring. It just got posted today. So that'll be all for my video, you guys. Keep going, because you are able and you are going to get that dream job that you always want and desire. Just keep on placing those applications in. The opportunity is not. Are you answering these doors, you guys? Come on, let's go. Smash that like button, smash that subscription button, subscription and subscribe button, and smash that notification bell, and comment down below if any of this is helpful to you guys, and comment down and say hi, and I will be able to say hello right on back. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.